This classic video is a link from Adventures in Water Skiing, the 6-part history of wakeboarding, kneeboarding, hydrofoiling, and much more.
Warning! Warning! Danger! Danger!
Wakeboarding can be a dangerous activity, so ride smart, ride safe.
The switch stance start should be done as soon as possible. Today's riding style is either foot forward, and you should think of your riding that way too. Learn and teach the switch stance start as soon as possible. Most boarders find it easier to start normal than push the board to revert as soon as the board starts to plane off. Once this is mastered, you can go to a more direct approach. Alternate your foot forward every time you start. Don't wait to learn to ride switch stance. You'll need it for many more tricks.